Today, I'm super excited to dive into something a bit different but equally exciting: how to apply as an international university teacher in China. Just a disclaimer, guys, this is just all based on my experience, and the requirements may vary slightly depending on the university and the specific position you're applying for. But I'll give you a general overview to get you started. So, now let's have the basic requirements in applying for a teaching position here in China. First, of course, is your passport. The next one is your NBI clearance, and then after that will be your CAV. So in your CAV or diploma and NBI clearance, it should be authenticated by the DFA. Isama mo na rin yung iyong teaching license sa pagpapa-apostil sa DFA. For the qualifications naman, generally, you need at least a bachelor's degree, preferably in that field you wanted to teach. But many universities also prefer candidates with a master's or even a PhD. At least 2 years of teaching experience is required, and actually, online teaching is not credited. Then request for a certificate of employment para mapatunayan yung years of teaching experience mo. Proficiency in English is usually a must, especially if you're applying to teach in programs that are taught in English. Some universities may also require proficiency in Mandarin, pero dito naman sa university ko, hindi naman siya ganun kahigpit. For your resume, highlight any relevant teaching experience and also, if possible, provide references who can speak to your teaching abilities. And since talagang napakahirap makakuha ng interview dito sa China, make sure na kapag nakakuha ka or na-providean ka ng schedule for interview, ace it. Galingan mo, ibigay mo ng todo lahat-lahat ng iyong makakaya. Kasi minsan, doon din sila nagbe-base kung gusto ka nilang bigyan ng trabaho dito as a teacher or not. And there you have it, folks. Those are the general requirements for applying as an international university teacher here in China.